So I've been here for about 30 minutes now since I got back from looking over at the interesting bird, and I feel like I should have studied sea lions because they're far more interesting. How cute they are than the freaking seagulls that don't do anything. They sit on posts and stand. Right now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those are adult western gulls. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 6 earlier when I first came. I don't see any flying around at this point. And yeah. Oh, there's one flying. And that is a juvenile, which you can't probably tell in the video. Juvenile western.